What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you step by step on how to draw a Huckleberry Hound. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page with the eyes. We're going to start with an oval on the left side. So start in the center, going up, come down at an angle, and then back up towards the center. Let's do the same thing on the right. So we're going to start back in the middle, come down, go around towards the top, and then towards the center. Let's add in the eyelids. Starting from the middle, we're going to go out and then down towards the left, and then the right side. And we'll push the pupils towards the inside. So let's start on the left with a smaller oval, going around and then in. Do the same thing on the right. Let's fill the pupils in black. Let's move to the center just underneath the eyes and draw the top edge of the nose. So we're going to curve this up and then down. And then from the ends, we're going to curve this down and in towards the center of our page. And we'll fill the inside of the nose in black. Let's go to the bottom of the nose. We're going to add a curve coming down and then over towards the left. Bend the mouth going out and then pull that up towards the top corner. Let's go back to the center, go across towards the right, and then bend that up. Let's add a bracket going across the corners of the mouth. And then over on the left side, we're going to open up the mouth. We're going to come down and then in towards the middle, go back out and up underneath. Let's add the tongue across the bottom with a curve, and we'll fill the top of the mouth in black. Let's add a fold underneath the eyes. Looking down and in. Now add a trim across the cheeks, starting from the side of the nose, go up, and then down towards the side. And we'll round up the cheeks and then pull that in towards the chin. So we'll start with that coming around, come down and in underneath the mouth, go over towards the right, and the same thing, coming down and then in. And I want to close off the bottom with a curve. Let's go back up to the top of the cheeks. We're going to slope the head coming up and in towards the eyes. Now on the left side, I'm going to bend the head, going up and then out. Go to the right, go up, and go up a little bit higher, and we'll close off the top with a straight angled line. Let's add the eyebrows in between the eyes and the top of the head. So we'll start with the one on the left, bend this out and down, taper that back in, flatten this off, and fill that in black. Now let's go over towards the right, going out and then down, taper that in, close this off, fill in the inside of the eyebrow. Now I want to go to the top left corner of the head, draw the ear. We're going to bend this up and then out, round this out, and then come in towards the side, round at the bottom, and then pull that up towards the top. And then on the right side, we're going to draw the hat brim. From this top corner, we're going to step in, draw a straight line going up, go out, and then back. Let's go back to the corner of the head, come down, and then up. Let's flatten off the ends with a short line. Let's going to trace this going across the top. From these 2 points, we're going to angle the hat, going up and then out towards the top, and we'll flatten this off. Let's add a trim across the top, coming down. And we'll add some spots. Starting from the top, so we curve this around, add a half circle on the bottom, and then the right side, and we'll fill the insides in black. Now we're going to tuck the ear in underneath the hat. Let's start from the side, bend this out and then down, round up the ear, and just pull that back up. Now I'm going to switch to my black Ohuhu marker and fill the inside of the ears. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw in the bow tie. We're gonna start right in the middle with a circle. And then from the side, it goes down and out. And we'll pull this straight up underneath the head. Just underneath the tie, we draw 2 straight angled lines coming down and then out towards the hips. Let's round out the hips and pull that in. Let's go to the center, draw a straight line coming down towards the heels, and then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. We'll start with the left side, coming down and up, and do the same thing on the right. Let's go back to the left side and curve the top of the foot. We're going to go up, and then bend that down, aiming towards the heel. Let's go back up underneath the hips. We're going to angle the leg, coming down and then in on top of the feet. Let's separate the toes with 2 curves on either side. Now I'm going to go back up to the top and fold the arms in behind the body. So starting back underneath the tie, angle those down and out. Curve the bottom of the arm, coming down and then in towards the side of the body. And then we'll move up and add a fold, going up and out in a short line. Now I want to add the tail coming out from the left hip. Let's start up here, curve this down and then up, come down toward the bottom and then in towards the hip. Let's separate the end of the tail with 2 curves, and then we'll fill the left side in black. Let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a drawing of Huckleberry Hound. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. You can also check out our other channels. I'll leave the links in the description below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.